Hello guys, welcome to the training video of data entry QA work. So as you can see in the screen, I have opened the Excel file. So from our end, you will receive a Excel file and images related to the Excel file, which from which you have to do the QA. So after opening the QA, after opening the Excel file, you will able to see this kind of data like image ID, form type, page, etc. etc. So this is the data which is came from this file. So image id means the image name, like in the folder there will be the image name. You can search by this, like similarly you can, if you take this one, the image id is this, and in this id, this from this id the data has been taken. So similarly we can copy it and search in the folder, we will get it. So for the better understanding, I have opened the image here. As you can say, it is the same image as 89. So as it is a master page, also you have to check the page number. This all data has been taken from the page number 1, as you can check. So we will check one by one. First, there is a master date, master month, master year. So first we will open the file, zoom it, and as you can check that the above of the page, the date has been written like 30 April 1994, 1944. So it is okay. So secondly, we will check the name. They usually write their surname at first and the first name at last. So similarly, it is written Bandy Roski W. So so it matched with it. So there is also a service number, enlistment date, enlistment month, all the data. As you can say, you have to check it through the image, row by row, or which way ever is possible by you. So comes the second point. If you see that the image contain a different data and Excel contains a different data, if you take an example like there is written Bandy in the Excel file, it is not written Bandy, it is written NAD. For example, I am taking it. So if it is written NAD and in the image you can say see it is a Bandy. So make a duplicate copy of the Excel file and do required correction on the duplicate file and color the box like this cell has been modified, it must be written Bandy. So modify the changes and color the box that this has been modified, and as similar with all the box you have to do that. So if you have any doubt regarding the work, you can ask us directly through a message. Thank you.